Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, pianist, composer, piano and composition teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link below in the description, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel in case you are interested in original music and covers. Going back to the Piano Lessons to Go channel, don't forget to subscribe and to share also with your friends if there is anybody that is interested in piano music. Let me know also about yourself when you started studying, your experience. Now time to go to our lesson. Today I want to play and explain for you the Minuet in C, the A3 piece from the Grade 1 Piano Exam Pieces, ABRSM 2023-2024. Before proceeding with the explanation of this piece, I want to remind you that a few days ago I have published a tutorial where I explain which ones are the methods of study, the methods of practice that I suggest to all my students, and I have finally shared on my YouTube channel. I'm leaving the link in the description below. This piece is nice, as probably all of them, not too complicated, also the speed is not exaggerated. It's a good way for you, students starting, finally playing more important and advanced pieces if you're coming from the pre-grades. It's a good way to improve your dynamics, to improve the articulations. Remember to, if you can, to respect the two-note slur and these small phrase marks. You should remember to drop on the first, connect and roll at the end. When it's a two-note slur, it's quite easy because you do simply drop, roll. Why is it important, the articulation? The articulation helps shaping the melody, shaping the piece. It's like generating words out of simple letters of the alphabet. Remember that we don't read the letters of the alphabet one by one, but we generate words. And this is the meaning of the phrase marks. We are creating the musical words, even though we call phrase marks. Phrase standing for sentence. As a simple suggestion, you might want to change the finger here the second time you play the F. You might even go on doing 5, 5, 5 and then 5 again on to play the E, but you might even play the second F with the fourth. In this way you do 4, 4 and then 5 here. It's a simple advice, simple suggestion, but you are free to carry on, obviously, same as they suggested. One more thing to clarify, that anyways, these slurs have been suggested by the publisher as they write here. All slurs and dynamics are editorial suggestions only. It's a way to indeed give you an idea, an advice regarding how you might maybe shape the melody. Now I'm going to play it at the official speed and then I will play it slower. Now I can play it slower for you. I will play at 60, half of the speed, and I turn the metronome on. 1 and 2 and 3 and... I hope you enjoyed the performance, you understood my simple explanation at the beginning before the start. And obviously if you have any question, feel free to comment, let me know how is it going, if you're studying this one. and if you like it. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. All the best.